Hello guys, today we are going to do exercise 12.1 question number 3. In the last video we have done question number 1 and 2. So today we will be doing question number 3. So for question number 3, this is the diagram which is given in figure 12.3. So we should know this. What kind of diagram is this? This is concentric circle. So what is concentric circle? A circle whose center point is common for all the circles. I'll show you the diagram. This is the center point of the circle. This is another circle. This is also circle. So you can see here the center point is common for all the circles. So this is called concentric circle. Now in the question it is given that there are 5 scoring regions: gold, red, blue, black and white, and the diameter of the gold is given 21 centimeter. So diameter we already know. If we pass one straight line from the center to the other end, so that is called diameter. So the diameter of the gold is given 21 centimeter, and the width of each scoring region is given 10.5. So you can see here, from gold to red it is given 10.5, from red to blue it is given 10.5, from blue to black it is given 10.5, and from black to white it is given 10.5. So the width of each scoring region is given 10.5. So in the question we are asked to find the area of each scoring region. We have to find the area of gold, area of red, area of scoring region of blue, area of scoring region of black, area of scoring region of white. So we need to find the area of all the scoring regions. So I hope you have understood this diagram. So now we are going to find the area of each region. So first we will be finding the area for gold region. So the diameter of gold is given 21 centimeter. So its radius will be half of diameter. So radius formula will be d by 2. So diameter is given 21 centimeter divided by 2. So we will be getting 10.5 centimeter. So radius we got 10.5 centimeter. So now we have to find the area of gold region. So we know the formula of area of circle formula is pi r square. This is our r1. So we know the value of pi is 22 by 7. Our r is given 10.5 centimeter into 10.5 centimeter. Here you can see a radius is 2 times. So that's why I have written here 10.5 centimeter into 10.5 centimeter 2 times. After this we will be cancelling it out by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 3 left, so 35, so 7 5 ja 35. So after multiplying all this together we will be getting, so we have to multiply 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. So after multiplying all this we will be getting 346.5 centimeter square. So this is the area for gold region. Now next we have to find the area for red region. So we have to find the radius. So radius will be r1 plus width. So r1 is given 10.5 centimeter plus width is given 10.5 centimeter. So if we add these two together, then we will be getting 21 centimeter. See, we can see here, first one is gold, second one is red. So we can say that this is the concentric circle. So the formula for concentric circle is, now we have to find the area for red region. So area will be area of red region. Area of red region formula will be pi r2 square minus r1 square. So this is the formula to find area of red region. So we will keep this pi s like this. R2 is 21 centimeter square and R1 is 10.5 centimeter square. Now again we will keep pi like this same. So 21 square it will be 441 centimeter square minus, if we square this then we will be getting 1010.25 centimeter square. So now we know the value of pi. Pi value is 22/7 into, if we subtract this then we will be getting 441 minus 1110.25, so we will be getting 330.75 centimeter square. So now we have to multiply these two together, or we can cancel out by 7. So if we cancel out by 7 then we will be getting 7 4 is 28, so 5 will remain, so 5 0 47, 7 is 49, 1 will left, so 1 7 17, so 7 2 is 14, 3 will left, so 7 5 is 35. You can see here after 2-digit decimal is there, so after cancelling from the right we have to move 2 digit to the left, so our decimal point will be here. So now we have to multiply these two together. So if we multiply these two together then we will be getting 22 into 47.25, we will be getting 1039.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of red region. We got area of red region 1039.5 centimeter square. Now next we will be finding area for blue region. So radius will be R3. R3 is equal to R2 plus width. So we know R2 is 21 centimeter plus width is 10.5 centimeter. So if we add these two together then we will be getting 31.5 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of blue region. So area of blue region is equal to pi R3 square minus R2 square. So we will keep pi same. So our R3 is 31.5 centimeter square minus R2 is 21 centimeter square. So you can see this is in the form of formula. We know one formula, a square minus b square. So the formula for a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So we can apply here. So for this we can write a plus b and a minus b. So this is your a and this is your b. So 31.5 plus 21. And next will be 31.5 minus 21. So we will keep the pi as same. Now if we add these two together then we will be getting 31.5 plus 21. So we will be getting 52.5 into 31.5 minus 21, so we will be getting 10.5. So we know the pi value is 22/7, and if we multiply these two together then we will be getting 52.5 into 10.5, so we will be getting 551.25. So we have to cancel it with 7. So if we cancel it with 7, so it will be, so we will be getting this 78.75 centimeter square. So now we have to multiply these two together. 22 into 78.75 centimeter square. So if we multiply these two together, 22 into 78.75, then we will be getting 1732.5 centimeter square. So this is the area for blue region. We got area for blue region 1732.5 centimeter square. Now next we have to find the area for black region. So we have to find the radius. So radius, so we will be finding R4. So R4 is equal to R3 plus width. So you know R3 is 31.5 centimeter plus width is 10.5 centimeter. So if we add these two together, then we will be getting 42 centimeter. Now we have to find the area for black region. So area of black region is equal to pi R4 square minus R3 square. So we will keep pi as like this. So R4 is 42 centimeter square minus R3 is 31.5 centimeter square. So we will be applying the same formula, a square minus b square. So pi will be same. So a square 42 plus 31.5. Next one is 42 minus 31.5. This is our formula, a square minus b square. So we have used a plus b and a minus b. So this is your a and this is your b. So pi will remain as same. So 42 plus 31.5. So 42 plus 31.5 will be getting 73.5 into, if we subtract 42 minus 31.5, so we will be getting 10.5. So we know the value of pi value is 22 by 7 into, if we multiply these two together, then you will be getting 73.5 into 10.5. So we will be getting 771.75 centimeter square. So we have to cancel it with 7. So if we cancel it with 7, then we will be getting 1010.25. So now we have to multiply this 22 into 110.25. So if we multiply this 22 into 110.25, then we will be getting 2425.5 centimeter square. So this is the area for black region. So now last we have to find the area for white region. So first we have to find radius. So radius will, so R5 will be R4 plus y. So R4 is 42 centimeter plus width is 10.5 centimeter. So if we add these two together, then we will be getting 52.5 centimeter. Now we have to find the area. So area of white region is equal to pi R5 square minus R4 square. So we will keep pi as same. So R5 is 52.5 centimeter square minus R4 is 42 centimeter square. Now again we will be using the formula a square minus b square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So formula will be a plus b and a minus b. So a plus b, this is your a and this is your b. So 52.5 plus 42. And another one is 52.5 minus 42. So we will keep pi as same. This 52.5 plus 42 we will be getting 52.5 plus 42 we will be getting 94.5. 94.5 into, this is your multiplication sign. So 52.5 minus 42 we will be getting 10.5. Now we know the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 94.5 into 10.5 we will be getting 992.25 centimeter square. Now we will be cancelling with 7. So 7 1 ja, and if we cancel it this by 7, so we will be getting 141.75. Now we have to multiply these two together. So 22 into 141.75. So if we multiply these two together, 22 into 141.75, so we will be getting 3118.5 centimeter square. So we got area of white region is equal to 3118.5 centimeter square. So this is our final answer.